This is how you're going to customize app name and icon and glide. So first, we're just going to make sure that this is as straightforward as possible. So I'm already in the app that I want to change the icon and the name. So just make sure that you head over to the app as well. And then from your editor, you're just going to head over to this top toolbar and then you're going to click on settings right here. Now from the settings, you can see the name and icon tab. You're just going to click on that, and then from here we can change the title. So we can just change it into, for example, I want to name my app Strawberry Soju. Just going to make sure to type it out, and then notes like that, and then from there we can upload an icon right here. So we can just click on change icon. So for example, we want to use this one, you can do so, or if you want to upload your own icon, you can click on upload right here, and then your file manager will open, and then you can choose your own image from there. Now after that, you just have to click on save, and that's it. That is how you're going to customize app name and icon in Glide.